Welcome, in front of me is OPPO A5m, and in this video I will show you what to do if your phone signal is weak. So first of all, unlock your phone, slide down the quick settings menu and try toggling the airplane mode by tapping on it once and then tapping on it again in order to refresh network connection. If it didn't help, then try moving to an area with better coverage, and if you cannot find any, then in settings select mobile network, select your SIM card, then select Wi-Fi calling and turn it on, and check if this made any improvements. Then if it didn't, the last thing that you can do is go into the system and update settings, backup and reset, then reset phone, reset network and Bluetooth settings. Confirm by clicking reset. And check if this made any improvements, and if it did, then that's great, and I'm glad that this video helps you. But in case it didn't, then you should contact your carrier and tell them about your issue and see if they can help you resolve it. But for this video, that will be all, so I hope that it helped you, and if it did, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.